to my channel. So today I have my best friend with me again, Monique.
Hi.
And we're gonna be making matcha mochi ice cream, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
So excited.
So the first thing that we have done already is you fill 10 cupcake tins with paper, and then we're gonna scoop the matcha ice cream into them, just so we can like let it freeze for a few minutes. So now we're just gonna cover them and put them in the freezer. 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we put 3/4 cup of the Mochiko rice flour in here. And then 3/4 cup of water. Okay, and then we're gonna microwave it for 1 minute intervals. We'll probably color it pretty good. Because we want the flavor, not just like the dough. So we put it in for 1 more minute, or like 30 seconds, and then we're gonna flatten it out and then cut out circles with like around a cookie cutter, I guess.
Jar lid.
So you want your
Consistency.
dough to be like really like gooey and like sticky like this.
Yeah. Don't worry, it'll all form together into an actual dough when you like start kneading it into the cornstarch. Oh my god.
Oh, this is weird.
I could eat mochi all day.
It's like the weirdest texture.
I know. But it's like awesome.
Like this has like a really weird texture. So we're making 10. We're making 10.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, so now we're going to take the balls out and then wrap this around the ice cream and just see what happens.
Wait,
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out one circle thing, piece of dough, and then we're gonna put 1 ice cream scoop in the center. And then you're gonna grab the 4 sides. Oh my god.
so just pinch it twice.
I think there's too much ice cream.
Just try to, yeah. And just pinch it all together like that.
Something like that. And then you're gonna wrap it in itself. Yeah.
And you twist it so it all
twist
comes
it.
together into a ball. Yeah.
This one has a little bit.
Okay. So wrap.
You can always like take some out. Do you need to? Or is it okay? I think it'll be okay.
Really pinch it hard. Make sure that stays together. It might be too much ice cream. I mean, you can never have too much ice cream, but in this case,
You can.
yeah, because it's not gonna wrap. I'm gonna try to stretch it out first and then. Yes! Okay. Okay, yes, please. Oh god, oh god. Okay, so the ice cream is melting, that's what's happening. Yeah, the ice cream is making it wet, so it's like trying to come apart.
But like, what can you do? It's always falling apart, so you can't really put that much.
I don't know how like all these companies are putting so much ice cream in the center.
So we just took them out of the freezer, and it was maybe like, how many minutes was it? Like 10, 15 minutes?
I would say 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
And so they hardened a little bit, and we're gonna try them now. Here, you can try them.
Okay, taste test.
Yeah, they're a little bit hard. So I'm excited. but also nervous.
They're going to be good.
Oh my gosh. Mine looks so weird.
Well, turn it around. You're not supposed to see that side. Nobody serves
Good,
it
that
to you
looks
like,
better.
okay, here's the bad side.
That's what it looks like.
It's melting in my hand. Okay, let's try. That's good.
That's really good.
That was a win in flavor. In presentation, 5 out of 10.
These are so good. It's really messy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm digging it. Mm-hmm.
My new
Oh my God.
favorite treat.
My teeth are like freezing.
My teeth are frozen, no biggie.
So good.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
I'm trying to make it look more covered up. This part. Yeah, I like this.
Yeah.
Thumbnail.
Can you see it? It's so exciting. Oh no. So that's gonna be all for our green tea matcha. Same thing. Our matcha mochi ice cream balls. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And then subscribe if you aren't already. Do you have anything to say? I think it was a
It's
success.
delicious. That's all I can say. I know it doesn't look good, but
It does not
we
look
tried
good.
our best, and you know, you can only grow from it, right? So learn from our mistakes, and you can probably make it way better. We'll link the recipe in the
Down
description.
below, yeah. We're definitely not professionals. This is like our second time trying this, so I think it turned out better than the first time.
The recipe we followed was from someone who, you know, does it really well. Like, she knows what she's doing. She has a lot of good reviews, so just do it yourself. I think, and learn from us. That's all I can say.
Yeah, I mean, I hope this was entertaining for you.
Yes,
It
thank
kinda was for
you.
us.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys next time. Maybe I'll be here. I don't know.
Maybe, we'll see.
Bye. Bye.